Okay, take a look at the WD Black Western Digital SN850X. This is a 4TB Gen 4 M.2 hard drive. Currently, all of my mechanical drives are Western Digital, so I want to try the M.2, and because this is a 4TB, this is the only 4TB that's actually reasonable. That's why I'm swapping to this drive today. So there we go, standard M.2. Nothing real special as far as looks goes. So let's go ahead and throw this guy in and see how it compares.
So now, let's just do a crystal disk mark test and see what the maxes are. So there we go. We have actually managed to max out what this motherboard is capable of. So what that means is in the event that I upgraded this motherboard, this hard drive would already run faster for the new motherboard. You can see at the sequential 1 MB 8 process 1 thread, we are at 3550 and at the write 3440. So the write is pretty much right where the read is. Sequential 1 MB 1 process 1 thread, 2382, 2694, and random 4K 32 process 1 thread, 816, 734. The weird thing is the write is actually faster than the read on this in the 4K 1 process 1 thread. So this is the worst case scenario. We got 62 and 225. So this is a very, very, very fast hard drive. I am very happy with that.